When grocery shopping for food in the store, always check and read food labels on the back or on the side of the package. Read the ingredient list. It will show you what ingredients are in the food. In this example, we will look at the ingredient list of these fig bars that are $1. The ingredients highlighted in red will be food ingredients that can be potentially harmful to your health. Unhighlighted ingredients will be considered neutral, and green will be considered good for your health. The ingredients that make the cookie are enriched white flour. Enriched white flour is refined flour that has most of its nutrients removed, then added back in afterwards. The bran and germ are removed from the flour during processing. The bran is rich in fiber, protein, and a variety of minerals. The germ is rich in B vitamins and minerals. After the flour is refined, the endosperm is the only thing left. The endosperm contains protein, carbohydrates, B vitamins, and iron. Enriched white flour is used to increase the shelf life of a product, so it doesn't spoil fast. It may be good for the product, but not so much for your health. When shopping, always look for whole wheat flour. Next is the sugars. It contains high fructose corn syrup. High fructose corn syrup is made from cornstarch and is used as a sweetener. High fructose corn syrup increases your appetite and promotes obesity. It also contributes to diabetes, inflammation, and the hardening of the arteries. It has dextrose. Dextrose is the name of a simple sugar made from corn or wheat and is chemically identical to glucose. Dextrose can lead to high blood pressure if too much is eaten. It has sugar, most likely refined sugar. It has corn syrup. The difference between high fructose corn syrup and corn syrup is that corn syrup is 100% glucose, while high fructose corn syrup has some of its glucose converted to fructose. These ingredients are used for better flavor enhancement, stability, freshness, texture, and consistency, but they aren't good for your health. Next is yellow corn flour. This is neutral and not harmful to your health. For the fig filling, it has figs, which are neutral, palm oil, that is highly processed and not good for your health. Flaked corn and salt. These two ingredients are neutral. It has potassium sorbate. Potassium sorbate is used to prevent mold and yeast in foods, wine, and personal care products. Potassium sorbate can be toxic to DNA and has a negative effect on immunity. Potassium sorbate is a banned food ingredient in Europe. It has sodium benzoate. Sodium benzoate is used as a preservative in some soft drinks, packaged foods, and personal care products to extend its shelf life. Eating too much foods with sodium benzoate can cause inflammation in the body and can have harmful effects in the small intestines. When sodium benzoate is combined with vitamin C or ascorbic acid as a preservative, it can turn into benzene and become a carcinogen that is linked to cancer and damages DNA. It has baking soda that is neutral. It has ammonium bicarbonate that is used as a rising agent for flat-baked goods like cookies and crackers. Ammonium bicarbonate will decompose during baking and releases ammonia and carbon dioxide leavening gases and leaves no residue when it's decomposed by heat. So this ingredient will be neutral. Canola oil is made from rape seeds. Rape seeds are very small and similar in size to chia seeds. To extract the oil from these seeds, it goes through many processing, so canola oil will be unhealthy. Natural flavors is a substance extracted, distilled, or derived from natural sources, like plants or animals. An example would be drinking an orange soda. The flavor is similar to freshly squeezed orange juice, but it's really not. So natural flavors trick your brain to recognize what you're eating or drinking tastes like you think it should. This can be harmful to your health because it can lead to food addiction, because your brain will think your body is getting nutrients, but it's not. The same thing goes for artificial flavors. The difference between natural flavors and artificial flavors is that artificial flavors is made by combining chemicals made by inedible ingredients, while natural flavors can come from any part of a plant or animal. They are made to smell and taste exactly like natural flavorings. Soy lecithin is an emulsifier used to make oil and water mix. It stabilizes processed foods and protects its flavor. Soy lecithin is highly processed and can cause allergies in sensitive people. Most soy is genetically modified too. Caramel coloring is made by heating a sugar compound, usually high dextrose corn syrup. It adds a tannish yellow to black color. I have already mentioned dextrose and corn syrup earlier, so caramel coloring will be unhealthy. Citric acid is used as a preservative in many processed foods to help keep them fresh. It slows the formation of bacteria, mold, yeast, and fungus, and helps food to retain its color, flavor, and texture. Citric acid is found in many fruits like lemons and isn't harmful to your health. The last ingredient is annatto extract color. Annatto extract is an orange-red food coloring, made from the seeds of the achiote tree, which grow in tropical regions in South and Central America. Annatto extract can cause allergies and headaches for some people, but isn't unhealthy to eat for most people. It contains wheat, soy, and sulfites. Sulfites are used as a food additive to preserve and maintain food color and prolong shelf life. It prevents the growth of microorganisms. Eating sulfites can lead to dermatitis, hypotension, abdominal pain, and asthmatic reactions, so sulfites will be unhealthy to eat. The strawberry flavor of this fig bar also has many additives. When I first ate these fig bars, I just looked at the front of the package and it said it was made with real figs. But when you read the back ingredient label, you can get a better idea of what's in the food item. If this is the only available food option you can purchase, then say a prayer over your food and express your appreciation and gratitude that you have something to eat. So I decided to go to another store to see if we can find a healthier alternative. I'm at the other store and found these Laura bars for $2.99. They are made with just 2 real ingredients and are non-GMO verified. When you flip the package over to the side to check the ingredients, you can see that there are only 2 ingredients, cashews and dates. This is what you want to see. The lesser and most natural ingredients, the better. These bars also have a short shelf life, with the expiration date expiring within a month. They weren't fig bars, but a great alternative. I ate these bars and they were one of the best bars I have eaten so far. So this is how to make healthier food choices while grocery shopping.